Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, not its amazing capabilities, but rather its limitations. AI is revolutionizing industries, but it has some pretty big boundaries that we need to talk about. Let's break it down. Section 1, Data Dependency. First up, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. AI models learn from vast amounts of data, but if that data is biased, outdated, or incomplete, the results can be flawed. For example, if an AI system is trained with biased data, it can end up making discriminatory decisions. In fact, many facial recognition systems have faced criticism for being less accurate with people of color due to biased training data. So, without high-quality, diverse datasets, AI can misfire. Section 2, Lack of common sense. Next, AI lacks common sense. It can perform specific tasks, but it doesn't really understand the world the way humans do. If an AI encounters a situation that wasn't part of its training, it can struggle or make bizarre decisions. Imagine asking an AI to fetch a glass of water. It might know how to pour water from a bottle, but without specific instructions, it wouldn't know how to avoid spilling, or even where to find the glass. Section 3, No creativity or emotional intelligence. Another big limitation is creativity and emotional intelligence. AI can generate content, music, and even art, but it doesn't truly create. It's just mimicking patterns from what it's learned. Also, AI can't understand human emotions or respond with empathy. So while it might analyze data or simulate conversations, it can't give meaningful emotional support. It lacks that human touch. Lastly, we can't ignore the ethical and security concerns. AI can be hacked, manipulated, or misused. Think about deepfakes or AI-powered cyber attacks. Plus, there are questions around privacy and job displacement. So while AI is super powerful, it also needs regulation and ethical boundaries to prevent misuse. So while AI is reshaping our world in incredible ways, it has its limitations, from data dependency and lack of common sense to creativity gaps and ethical issues. Understanding these limitations is crucial as we continue to innovate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think is the biggest challenge AI faces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.